Hi class, and welcome to week 6 of HSA 6103. This video will provide a brief overview of the topics we're covering this week, as well as materials and links provided to you in this week's content folder. So let's get started. You are responsible for reading Chapter 8 in your required textbook. The chapter is titled Inpatient Facilities and Services. You'll be reading about the evolution of hospitals, what contributed to the growth of hospitals before the 1980s. You'll also be touching on the expansion phase and how that impacted hospitals here in the U.S. And then the downsizing phase, which occurred more in the mid-1980s and on. And then towards the middle and end of the chapter, you'll be learning about the types of hospitals, classifications of ownership, stuff like that. I think you'll find it pretty interesting. And of course, if you have any questions regarding the material, do not hesitate to let me know. So this week, you also have your preliminary outline that is due for your global health research paper. And I know some of you may think, what a tedious assignment, but truthfully, outlines help you organize, other than just brainstorming, organizing your thoughts in relation to the topic of your paper. It doesn't matter if the paper is informative, persuasive, argumentative, whatever it is, outlines are very important to do before attempting to write your paper. So I'm sure by the time you're in the process of writing your paper, you're going to get a better idea of why this is a very important task before writing a final paper for those of you that aren't or don't usually do outlines. So your outline is due June 26th, which is Sunday. You will have all week to submit it if you get it done before then. I strongly suggest or advise you to check out the sample outline that's found in the assigned course papers link found on the left-hand side of this course. So here is the link. Where are you? Assigned course papers. All right. Now I'm going to go through this week's content folder and just briefly describe to you the materials and links provided to you. First is your submission link for your outline. Remember, it is due on Sunday, June 26th. Below that is a link for the PowerPoint presentation that goes along with the chapter for this week. And then there's a couple of videos that highlight some of the topics that we're covering this week. So the first one is the history of the Massachusetts General Hospital. Since this week it's all about hospitals, you'll find this video to be pretty interesting. Below that is a video that talks about the history of surgical anesthesia. And below that is a video that talks about academic medical centers and teaching hospitals. And then I have two links that kind of will give you some tips on graduate writing. And the second link here takes you to a document that talks about the APA style research paper for those of you that aren't familiar with the APA writing style. And last is our weekly checklist. As usual, make sure that you've completed everything on this list. It looks like I forgot to include the outline, which is due this week. So make sure you submit that again on Sunday. If you have any questions at all, do not hesitate to email me. That's what I'm here for. Best of luck, everyone. Take care.